Hi, this is an assignment tutorial for this week's assignments in Chapter 7. So if you'll go to your course content, you click on Graded Assignments. We'll walk through that for this week. So as always, the discussion questions are right here in front of you. Please make sure that you use your own words, no cutting and pasting from the online book. Let's use our own words for these. The next assignment is Chapter 7, Communication Process. You're going to create a Word document and complete the wordplay skills number 1, Communication Process. And as always, we tell you how to upload your Word document assignment. The next one we're going to do is the acceptance letter. Create a Word document and complete the Communicate Clearly number 7 acceptance letter. Same thing, we're going to save it just as it says. Now, one of my favorite things that y'all are going to do this week, again, is another discussion board. So this is Chapter 7, Confidential Information. Special note, you will type your response directly into the forum message box. Do not create a Word document. So it gives you the directions here, and it also reminds you to respond to at least 2 students. Y'all have done a very good job with this in the past. I enjoy reading these. So I look forward to seeing what you think about this one. If you have any questions or comments about your assignments, please let me know. You will also note that the assignments this week and next week are broken up. I changed the due date, so you do half this week and then half due the next week. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.